friends. We're going to go ahead and get started with our day. All right, so we are ready. That means we are sitting, but we're about to stand up because it's time to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So go ahead and stand up, please. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good job, friends. So, let's move on to our calendar. So we have a new month. Remember, it's no longer March. We're no longer in March. We're in, does anybody remember? April. Good job. April. What's the name of the month? April. Good job. All right, let's sing our Days of the Week song so we can figure out what today is. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, friends. So, yesterday we talked about was Wednesday. Good. Which means today is the Thursday. Good job. And that means tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. We don't have any school, well, we're not in school, but we won't have any recordings for tomorrow or Monday. But we will be back on Tuesday. So, today is the Thursday, and that means tomorrow will be Friday. Friday, 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 Friday. Friday. So, tomorrow's Friday. Let's count to find out what the date is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today is April 9th, 2020. It's Thursday, April 9th, 2020. And I meant to mention yesterday was Madison's birthday, and I didn't want to forget to tell all my friends. Yesterday was Madison's birthday. All right, friends. So we're going to move on. So we're not going to be here tomorrow. That will be the 10th. Saturday will be the 11th. We don't do schoolwork on Saturdays or Sundays. That'll be the 12th. We won't be back on Monday, but we will be back on Tuesday. So we'll figure out the date on Tuesday. Let's talk about the weather. It's been kind of a silly morning this morning. All right, so what's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? If I was talking to you first thing this morning at 8 o'clock, you might have thought it was storming outside because I heard thunder first thing this morning. Did you hear thunder first thing this morning or see lightning? Yeah, so if you go ahead and look, you can go look out your window. I will count back from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what did you find out? What did you find out about the weather when you looked outside? What did you find out? Because to me, it doesn't look like it's storming anymore. But I'm looking outside and it is super duper sunny outside. Yep, it is super duper sunny. There are no clouds in sight, which is so funny because like I said this morning, it was super dark outside and then it was lightning and thunder. Please review the shape song. Again, the link will be below. Also, let's go ahead and do our alphabet. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay. Moving on, we're going to move on to some math. The counting song down below in the description helps them count to 20. and get up and move a little bit. Shake their sillies out. We've been talking about this numeral this week. This is the number 10. Yes, it's the number 10. So how many circles do I have here? 10. 10 circles. And what is this number? 10. Good job, friends. That number is 10. Let's count our numerals, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to review our numerals here at the end for additional practice. Okay, so now we're going to review the letter U. This week we've been talking about U the whole week. You will have completed this sheet here and also colored in this U here. So today we're just going to review letter U by sticking our arm out straight. We're going to start up at the smiley face, and we're going to do that big line down, turn around, big line up. And what's the name of that letter? U. And what sound does U make? U makes the sound. What sound does U make? All right, let's do it again. Arms straight out. Point to the smiley face. Big line down, turn around, big line up. What's the name of that letter? U. And what sound does U make? U makes the sound. Like up. Makes the sound. Letter U makes the sound. What sound does letter U make? What's the name of the letter? U. And U makes the sound. Good job reviewing, friends. Remember, the letter U video is below if you want to review some of the things that start with U and things that start with the sound Alright, so next is our nursery rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Good job. So next would be music. Like I said, I have Wishy Washy Washerwoman and also Tootie Ta down below in the description. I already uploaded Miss Nichols' story today. Here comes Peter Cottontail, because this weekend is Easter for those of us that celebrate. And extended practice for this week is just those sheets that we had. I'm going to include another video later explaining everything that I have for next week. But this week for you all, it was just this sheet, and then if you chose to participate in any of the other, like the Easter number puzzle or the map that we did, I'll be recording another video later about a little book that we have, and that's the last like extra thing we have this week, is this book here that talks about coloring the egg different colors. Okay? Y'all have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you in a little bit. Remember, our meeting is at 11:30, and I will see you there for some review. I miss you guys so much. See you soon.